Cool, see your picture. I forgot the pictures on Tuesday. Cool. Alright. Oh god, yeah. Alright, let's warm up. Your spikes, Richard. PPT t-shirt. Calf Charlie? Yes.
Where's his bike?
33 minutes. You got your spikes on, Richard. Serious stuff.
He's
I'm trying to make my trainers last a bit longer.
Alright.
But he's also in the Welsh Castles, who's been called out. He was on the reserve.
Alright. In what? Welsh?
Welsh Castles Relay.
Rose Castle Relay.
Yeah, it's quite a prestigious event.
Oh, wow. Right,
Anyway,
Rose
he's
Castle
now
Relay.
called up, so he's
Dry
got to get
Peter,
some
run
training
report.
in.
Yeah. When's that? What is it?
Weekend.
2 weekends time?
Yeah.
And what is it?
It's a relay. My
Calf
stage
Charlie.
is a mountain stage,
Right.
17 kilometres
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah.
And where is it?
in Wales.
In Wales, okay.
It's
Nice.
the relay stops and starts at a castle, and there's loads of castles in Wales.
Yeah.
You start
And-
North Wales and you end up in Cardiff.
Wow.
We actually
220
finished
miles in total.
When you do?
Nice.
in front of Cardiff Castle.
Ah.
It's
It'd be at the same time as you two are doing Enduro.
prestigious event.
Rose Relay.
Welsh,
Devil's Back.
Welsh Castles Relay.
Welsh Castles Relay.
Yeah.
Wow.
But
Cool.
I mean, it's kind of dwindled these days, but it was a really big event. It was televised.
It's still pretty strong. It's a tough
Yeah.
event.
Glad I'm not running.
Let's take another picture. We're in the rain. Calf Charlie. Cool. Yeah. Cool.
So you need to push him hard. You've got to train hard.
Okay. Yes. Right. It's Dry Peter.
Stretch him out.
Richard. Yes. Get the record. Cool. You warmed up, Charlie? Cool.
So it's 1 to 5 and down.
Yeah, 1 to 5 and down. We'll do a direction change halfway.
It's
So,
not one of ours, is it?
so.
I think so.
Cool. Right, who starts off? GTI Richard,
I done it
you
last
choose.
week.
Oh, you did it last week. Oh, Royal Ramona.
I was going to say, if you've asked Peter to do the run report.
Oh, Stride Peter.
We'll start this off in
You're starting us off, Stride Peter.
3, 2, 1, go!
Right, let's go. 1 minute. Come on, Richard. Dan Peter, great running. Come on, Charlie. Andrew Ramona. Peter, Dan, lean, relax shoulders. Well done, Charlie. 30. Well done, Andrew Ramona. 2, 1. Well done. 250 meters, 200 meters. Then 300, Richard and Peter. Charlie, Dan, 250, good running. 2 minutes next.
We're doing Enduro 24 next week. Yeah, we've got two.
3, 2, 1. 2 minutes! Dan, Charlie, great running. Andrew and Mona, great running together. Peter, Richard, great running. Well done, Dan. Charlie, stay with Dan. One minute. Bye Richard, bye Peter. 502 minutes. Well done. Well done, Charlie. Two, one. Well done. 500 there. Great work. Well done, Charlie. Good running. Every time I get to see you, Charlie, it's so quick. 3 minutes, 800, Peter, Richard. They've cut the grass, Charlie, it means it's quicker. $2.30. Good running up the hill, Charlie, well done. Two minutes. Well done, Charlie, great running. Good running style. Keep picking feet up. Well done, Richard, Peter, well done. I'll get out your way. Right, 800, 3 minutes. then over a K on the 4. Well done. Keep pushing. Great running together. Pick feet up more, Peter. Nice and relaxed, Richard. Really push the pace, Richard. Two, one. Well done. Great running, Charlie. 700 meters, Charlie. 750. That's 3 minutes. Well done. 800 plus, Richard and Peter. 4 minutes next, over a K. $30. Good rate, Charlie. 100 meters ahead of coach. Well done, Ramona, Andrew. Great running. 2, 1. 4 minutes. Quicks, 1K. Run it, Charlie. Minutes. Well, Peter, Richard, Dan, keep pushing. 50-meter gap. Dan, Richard, push the pace. 2:30. Two minutes. Right, Richard, right, Peter. Dad, stay ahead. 50-meter gap. Right, Dan, stay ahead. 30 meters with you, stride, Peter and Richard. Stay ahead. 1 minute. Dan, stay ahead. 20 meters. Push. Right, Charlie. Leads 200. Well done, great running. All stay ahead, great work. Well done. Well, Richard, well, Peter. Scat, Dan, stay ahead nicely. Well done. Great running, Richard. Right, we'll do a direction change 2.5 minutes in. Richard, push for the clockwise world record. Peter, try and say, Richard, relax your shoulders. Relax shoulders a lot more. See how Richard's relaxing even now. Leaning forward. Lovely pick up there. He's staying with him. Good. They've cut the grass, Peter. It means it's a quick one. Well then, Dan, holding them off in the 4 minutes there. Nicely done. I thought they were lapped you. You lapped me instead. Well done, Andrew, Ramona. Well done, Charlie. Right, 2.5 minutes. We'll switch direction. 2, 1. 5 minutes. Right, Richard's ahead. See if we'll catch you with the direction change, Peter. Really push it on the clockwise. Stop raining. Right, Dan, hold your position. Right, Peter, legs are dropped. Pick them up, higher. Look at Richard. And you, Dan, pick feet up. Lovely stride, Richard. Going through the gears. That's it, Peter. Keep your eyes on Richard, Peter. 4 minutes. Dan, stay in the middle. Peter, catch Dan. Dan, stay ahead. Right, Richard, lead the way. Three minutes. Well, Andrew, Ramona. Right, Charlie. Change direction! Well then, Richard, catch Dan and catch Peter. Clockwise world record. Ramona, Andrew, Charlie, winner finishes at base. You're on course. Two minutes. Charlie, Ramona, Andrew, same pace. You're gonna win. Peter, 75 metres with you, Richard. Richard, catch him up, come on. This will be world record pace, Richard. Spikes are on, grass is cut, nice and fast. Right, Peter. Right, try to stay ahead of you. Right, Charlie, great running. One minute! Keeping the gap, Peter, well done. Dan, stay in the middle. Great work, Peter. 30! Great work, Peter. Right, stay ahead of Richard all the way. Really push. It's a 50-metre gap, you and Richard. Well done. Peter, look behind at the gap. Right, you're going to stay ahead. Richard, come on, push it. Dan, the middle of these three. Middle of the two, you, Peter. Push for the world record, Richard. Doing brilliantly. So up the cadence, free sprint. Well done, Ramona. 30. Well done.
3 minutes next.
4. I know, it's hard. When he finished at base, look at Ramona's consistent running, incredible. Active recovery. Richard, go for the fast finish. 3, 2, 1. 4 minutes. 1K, Richard, Peter. This is the hard section, Dan. The 4 minutes. Right, keep Richard in sight. Right, Richard. Well done, Ramona. Consistent running. When they finish at base, 100. Well done. Jumping jack. Well done. 3 minutes. Fresh eggs ready, sprint, Dan. Jack, sorry, sprint. Dan, great running. Right, Richard. Peter, 100-metre gap. Peter, stay ahead. Two minutes. Right, Peter, well done, Charlie. Richard, close the gap. Well done, Ramona, brilliant running. Well done, Dan. Dan, keep Richard in sight. Well done, Andrew. Andrew, we're on course for the win. Keep this going. One minute! Right, Jumping Jack! Right, stride Peter, calf Charlie, great running! Great running, Jack! Stride Peter, Charlie, well done! Great running, 30! Right, Charlie, looking good. Peter, you've increased the gap, good. Really turn on the speed now. Richard, come on, close this gap, move through us. 2, 1. Well done. Half bit done. 3 minutes next. 3, 2, and 1, Richard. Well done. Close the gap. Try and catch Peter before the end. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, go on, it's gonna happen. Come on, push it, push it. Push it, you'll get a world record as well. This clockwise direction is gonna be quick for you. 30. Charlie Jack, well done. Ramona, well done. Andrew, Dan, great work. 3 minutes next. Peter, 200 metre gap. Try and keep it. $100 metre gap, sorry, try and keep it. 2, 1. 3 minutes! 800, Peter Richard, Charlie Jack Dan. Push! Right, 2 laps. Charlie, come on, negative split. Increase the speed. Jack, keep pushing. Right, Charlie, come on, Jack, push. 2 minutes. Richard, close it down, come on. Really sprint. Well done, well Andrew. You two, you and Andrew, in for the win. Good. $130. Great running. Close to the 800, Dan. It's good. PB at Guildford Saturday.
Not before Endure.
Definitely, yeah. PB at Endure as well. Good running. 1 minute. We'll do a sprint finish, very last 30. Well done, good efficient running, looking good. Well done, Andrew. Reckon you'll win this. Peter, come on, push. Gaps closing. Peter, push. Richard, closing down. Three, 2, 1. Well done. Richard, 2 minutes and 1 minute. Peter, look behind for Richard, check the gap. Stay ahead. Andrew, on course for the win, looking good. Well done. Ramona, Charlie, great running. Jack, stay with Charlie. Right, 2 minutes and 1 minute. We'll do a sprint finish, very last 30 seconds of the session. You need to stay ahead of Richard, Peter. It's not going to be easy, just try. "15 seconds. Richard, close him down. Starting soon. Well, Andrew, you good? So stop raining. 2, 1. 2 minutes. Right, close him down, Richard. Come on. Well, Andrew, great running. Right, winner at base. Sprint finish, very last 30 seconds of the last minute. This hill is hard. Richard, come on, push through. Skate on, Peter, come on. Right, Richard, come on, push, push, push. It's 2 minutes of running. Right, start the cadence, Richard. Richard, sprint in the last minute. Two, 1. Well done. Peter, stay ahead. Jack, Dan, Ramona, Charlie, well done. Well, Richard, close it down. Well, Andrew. Winner finishes at base. Sprint finish, last 30. Alright, Andrew, you can win this. I want you to win it. Try. I've been lapped by all of you. It's brilliant running. Alright, 10 seconds. 5, 2, 1 minute. Winner, finish it at base. Push. Sprint! Sprint finish! 20! 15! 10! Always run! 5! 2, 1! Andrew, winner. Coach doesn't count. Peter, second. Charlie, third. Dan, fourth. Ramona, fifth. Jack, sixth. Richard, seventh. Well done. Stay ahead, Peter. Well done. You kept the gap. Good. Yeah, I will, yeah. Andrew, winner. Ryan, Peter. Hi. Right, Peter, the moral of this is for you is position, okay? So, I told you to keep a track on Richard and you stayed ahead, right? Part run, look at Jetstream Jacket ahead. Just keep that position, just keep it, right? You're doing it the other way. But you see, Richard was hunting you down. Great work, Richard. Increased cadence at the end. High, yeah. Good cardio though. You're closing down on Peter.
You're still pulling.
It's good. Well, Ramona, great running. Good.
Yeah. But then I think on the second half you actually pulled that gap a bit further. Yeah. It wasn't bad.
Yeah, selfie. Well then.
I kept every time we stopped.
Photo ET. Front runners. It's good. All targets met. 800, 3 minutes, over a K, 4 minutes. Good. Good.
Push each other, there you go.
5K, Peter.
Huh?
What's your PB at 5K?
The PB I got last week, 19:29.
Well, Charlie, great running. You're amazing on that hill and how you do it. It's good. Gaining ground. Yeah, okay. Ashley's a lot better. Yeah, I was actually here last night with fit stuff. Yeah, yeah. He did 8 Parloff, and I paired off with Claire and we run it.